In this video we are going to talk about Pelpo Folding Mini Trampoline. Pelpo Mini Fitness Trampoline is not only light, safe and quiet exercise equipment, but also provides a more fun way to exercise. Jumping cardio for 10 minutes a day is the equivalent of an hour of jogging, 30 minutes of cycling or 20 minutes of swimming. High-quality steel and impact-resistant PP materials can support 330 pounds and is suitable for long jumps. The 40-inch diameter and removable steel tube is easy to assemble or separate and store in any home. The best key features of this trampoline. 1. Adjustable handle with 4 height levels, perfectly adapted for bodybuilders of all heights. 2. Heavy-duty steel and stainless steel spring ensure a stable and durable using experience. 3. Unique foldable design allows to install quickly, save you much storage space and easy to carry. 4. PP mat with high toughness avoids tearing and is waterproof to make it easy to clean. 5. Suitable for sports enthusiasts and fitness shapers, improve balance and burn calories.